Hello, Cosmos Explorers. Welcome back to CosmoSphere. What if the planets in our solar system could talk? What would they say about themselves, about us, and about the universe we all share? In this video, we embark on an odyssey not of rockets and science, but of imagination, meaning, and cosmic wisdom. Welcome to a conversation across the stars. I am the sun, the great voice booms. I don't rise, I don't set, I simply burn. Every second I transform over 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. That energy, it's your warmth, your light, your life. I'm not just your day, I'm your history. I was here before you existed. And one day, billions of years from now, I will swell and consume everything you've ever known. But until then, I give freely, without asking, without rest. So ask yourself, what do you radiate to the world? And then Earth speaks, not loudly, but gently, like a mother. I am not your home. I am your reflection. You call me beautiful, but every war, every pollution, every broken promise, you etched into my skin. Yet still I give you forests, rivers, air. I hold you every day, even when you forget to hold me back. Protect me not out of guilt, but out of gratitude, because I am not eternal, and neither are you. Softly the moon whispers, I was born from you, Earth, and yet I'm forever distant. I see your darkest nights, I feel your tides, I mirror your moods. You reached me first, before you truly understood yourselves. You celebrate that flag, but will you plant peace as easily as you plant pride? From far out, Saturn echoes with grace. You call me majestic, and yet you barely understand me. My rings, delicate, icy, ancient, not just decoration, but layers of time, evidence of destruction, preserved in beauty. You chase status, symbols, titles. But I ask, can you carry wisdom with elegance? Can you age without bitterness? The universe favors balance, not power. Mars grumbles. They call me the red planet, but I bleed alone. You fantasize about me, colonizing, conquering. But do you ever wonder if I was once like Earth? Green, alive. I am the echo of a chance, a memory of loss, and maybe a warning. Do not escape to me before fixing the planet you already have. Thunder, and Jupiter speaks. I am mass, I am might, but I do not crush, I protect. Without me, asteroids would rain hell upon your world. I am your unseen shield, not by choice, but by nature. Power isn't in control, it's in sacrifice. Leaders, take note. Then comes Venus, glowing, radiant and deadly. You think I'm Earth's twin? I am her warning. I was once like her, until a runaway greenhouse turned me into fire. Now my surface melts lead, my skies choke lightning. You play with your climate like it's a game. Do you not see your future in my ruins? Farther still, voices whisper in the void. Uranus, tilted, mysterious. Neptune, dark, stormy, deep. We are the forgotten ones, they murmur. Cold, but not empty. We hold secrets, oceans beneath ice, storms older than your civilizations. Just because we're distant doesn't mean we're silent. Learn this. Not all knowledge comes from noise. Stillness reveals truth. And at the edge, a soft, hurt voice. Pluto. I was once a planet, then I wasn't. You debated my worth with telescopes, charts, labels. But out here, nothing cares what you call me. I still orbit. I still exist. So why do you let others define your identity? Now, silence. The Oort cloud, a sphere of icy remnants, the cradle of comets. Not a planet, not a place, but a boundary between what you know and all that lies beyond. If you think this is the end, it says, you've never understood beginnings. So now we return, back to our little blue dot, our chaos, our beauty, our story. The planets didn't just speak today. They reminded us that we are not alone, that we are not masters, but participants, and that wisdom is written not in books, but in the stars. This is not the end of your journey, it's the beginning of listening. If this journey moved you, subscribe, share, and look up. Because the universe is always speaking. You just have to be quiet enough to hear it.